Oh man, this is such a good song. You want to sing it with me, Robin?
Hey, wait a minute. This isn't our normal patrol route.
Robin, sometimes superheroes like me and helpful sidekicks like yourself deserve a break after a long week of crime fighting.
Holy bait and switch, Batman! It's the local comic book store.
That's right, the local comic store. Now, how'd you like some free comics?
Everyone likes free comics. And today, I'll show you how to make these miniature comics yourself using the free template in the description below. So stick around, and don't forget to subscribe to keep up to date with everything miniature. The basic tools you'll want to make your miniatures are a cutting mat, an X-Acto blade, a ruler, some glue, and the free template, of course, linked in the video description below. Step 1. Print the template double-sided, and if your printer doesn't support duplexing, you can simply print out the first page, then flip it over and print the second page. Next, use the black diamonds and naturally occurring edges as guides to cut out the template along all the lines shown. Oh yeah, this background music makes me feel like I'm riding a tiny horse into the sunset in my jammies. And that's why I use it in all my videos. But come on, let's get serious. The comics are separated into 3 sections: the cover page and backing, the first and last page, and the indeterminate pages that go in between the other stuff that doesn't go on the outside because it goes on the inside most part of the inside. Knowing this will not only make you smarter, it'll also help you to determine the correct order of the pages when gluing. Now, as you might have guessed, you'll need to fold the pages in half, starting with the cover page. I do this by lining up the corners. I also roll it against a flat surface to get it as flat as possible. I then present it to the camera and place it in the left-hand corner of the frame. Next, I simply repeat the process all over again and use the dotted lines as a guide to add glue along the spine. Then, I place it within the center of the cover page and use a ruler to ensure a solid bond. Although unnecessary, I also flatten it again to relieve emotional stress. Finally, I fold the indeterminate pages, apply glue to the spine, place it within the center, stuff it with a ruler, and flatten it like there's no tomorrow. If you followed all these steps, then you should now have a comic book that's too small to read or be generally useful in any practical way. Now, before we get back to what Batman and Robin are doing, I'd like to point out that there are a few specialty comics that feature a half-cover insert or gatefold. The main thing to note here is that the red triangles denote where to score and fold the paper. Aside from that, all the other steps are nearly identical. So good luck and have fun. Look, Batman! It's a bird! It's a plane!
It's a person we don't have time to deal with right now, Robin.
Check it out, Bruce. I found a copy of Batman 497, the issue where Bane breaks your back.
Yeah, that's just like a work of fiction, man, that never actually happened.
You're kidding, right?
The Caped Crusader never kids!
Robin, please, stay out of this.
But I remember distinctly, Bruce. Bane defeated you, and Alfred had to push you around in a wheelchair.
I was playing possum.
Why are you being so defensive?
The Dark Knight's never defensive!
That's right. I'm only ever offensive. And God, Robin, shut up!
Look, Bruce, I died, and you were defeated. But we both came back stronger, better, and more loving friends.
Alright, man. Great bumping into you again.